Hi friends, welcome to Nistala's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show a special dish for vegetarians, like how chicken 65 is for non-vegetarians. Now by looking at the screen, are you able to guess what this vegetable could be? If you say it's potato, no, it's wrong. If you think it's raw potato fry, no, absolutely wrong. Okay, I won't keep the suspense for long. It is yam fry. Yes, elephant foot yam, which has so many health benefits. It is rich in vitamin C and B6. It's high in fiber. It supports immune system. It regulates blood sugar levels and helps in weight management, whatnot. And apart from all these, it's the most tastiest dish or a most tastiest starter for vegetarians. Here I have taken 300 grams of yam and I'm peeling off the skin. You have to peel off good amount of the outer layer and you have to do it with knife. A peeler will not do well. And now after you've peeled it, wash the yam nicely and make it into two portions and cut them into thick bigger cubes. See? I'm cutting them in this size. See, you should not make them too small or too thin slices for this kind of fry. Now I'm taking all the pieces that I have cut into a bowl. Now we have to boil them before we fry them. For that, I'm adding 1 cup of water. See, just 1 cup of water and into it a little salt and turmeric powder. Now close the lid and boil them until they are a little soft. It will not take more than 5 minutes for these pieces to become soft. If you overcook them, they'll become into a paste. So make sure you are near the stove and you just cook them until they are this soft. See, when I just try to take it with knife, the knife is easily getting pricked. So until this texture, you cook them and turn off the stove immediately and take off these pieces into a separate plate. Now, by the time these pieces become cold, let us prepare a small masala. For masala, here in the bowl, I am taking 2 spoons of chili powder and a little salt. We have already added salt while we were boiling the pieces, so be very careful while you add salt. And half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and oil. Now let's add lemon juice also into this. I'm adding 2 spoons of lemon juice to this mix. And after you add lemon juice, give it a good mix. In case if you feel the paste is too thick, you can add a little oil to it. See here, my paste is little thick. So I'm adding a little more oil into it to bring it into the consistency where we can marinate the pieces. Here we need not take each piece and marinate it this way. Just put the paste inside that plate and mix all these pieces in the way I am showing you here. Now leave them aside for around 1 hour. After 1 hour, add oil to the dosa pan and arrange all these pieces that are marinated in the way I am showing you. See, arrange them in the pan in the same way like how I am arranging it here. And once you arrange them, you have to just keep frying them until they are dark brown in color and until the masala is nicely fried. See, here I am not doing deep fry. For these kind of dishes, deep fry is not needed because we have already boiled the yam. So our yam is already cooked. We are just frying the masala that is coated into the yam pieces. See, I'm just moving them and I am frying them. And these will go well with lemon rice, curd rice, or a simple dal rice, or they are great as a starter. This will be a super duper hit item if you try it at home. I hope you like it and do share your feedback in the comment section how this turned out. And in case if you like it, share it with your friends and family members. And in case if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do hit on subscribe button. Thanks for watching Nestala's Kitchen. Bye everyone.